Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable threat arrows during game analysis in the Chess.com app. These arrows help you understand potential threats on the board, improving your strategy and learning experience. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced player, this setting is useful. First, open the Chess.com app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the More button. Then, from the list that appears, tap on Settings. After that, scroll through the Settings menu and tap on Analysis. Finally, look for the option labeled Show Threat Arrows and toggle it on. Once activated, the Analysis tool will highlight threats from both sides with arrows, making it easier to visualize your opponent's plans and your own tactical opportunities. That's it. Now, whenever you review your games using the analysis board, you'll see arrows showing potential threats during key moments. Thanks for watching. In this video, we explained how to enable threat arrows in the Chess.com app on Android. Turn this setting on to enhance your analysis and improve your game awareness.